In this tutorial, I'm going to show you around the Markbook and teach you how to download group reports. Teacher and tutor accounts have access to a Markbook. It can be found on the My Account sidebar. The Markbook holds all of your pupil, parent and teacher data. You can export lists of your imported pupils and parent and teacher accounts using the blue buttons. When you click the button, your computer will download a CSV file containing all of your imported data. This spreadsheet shows all of my pupil details. If I want to see pupil test data and results, I need to go back to my Markbook. I can view and export test data here. I'll see a list of all my pupils with the different tests they have taken and their results. I can add filters to help find the information I'm looking for, and I can apply my chosen filters and remove them here. I can customise which columns are visible and also hide the controls altogether. I can export the data I have selected and get a downloadable report using the orange export button. Exit report gets me back to the Markbook. If you just want to view data from a specific class, you can do that using the View Teaching Class Test Data button. Choose a class from the drop-down menu and you'll see the data for those pupils appear in the reports. Applying filters and exporting works in the same way as before, and I can switch classes by clicking Select Another Class. I can also compare data from two different pupils or two different teaching classes. Click Compare Pupils and choose two pupils from the drop-down menus. I can then compare summary reports of their progress side by side. I can compare two other pupils by selecting Compare Pupils, or go back to the Markbook. I can then compare two classes in the same way using the button underneath. I can also view a summary report for just one pupil here. I can view a pupil summary across all subjects by choosing Pupil Summary, or for just one subject by choosing Pupil Subject Summary. Let's look at a subject summary for maths. I can choose a pupil, choose an appropriate maths subject, and then view a summary across that subject. I'll see their average test score, how many tests they have taken, as well as strong and weak areas. I can track their scores over time with the graph. I can view a summary like this for a teaching class. If I select Teaching Class Summary and choose a class, I can view the same information for a whole class rather than a specific pupil. I can see which pupils are in this class with the Class Pupils button, and choose another class too. The final Markbook feature is the test report. I can view summary reports of questions for all pupils by subject. If I choose a subject, I can export the question data for that subject for all my pupils. It will appear as a CSV download.